Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to play Geo Cloud games. First, make sure you have a compatible device such as a smartphone, tablet, or a Geo set-top box. A stable internet connection, ideally 5 megabits per second or more, is crucial for a smooth experience. Begin by downloading the official Geo Games app from your device's app store. This app is your gateway to a vast library of exciting cloud-based games ready to be streamed directly to you. Once you have the Geo Games app installed, open it and look for the dedicated Cloud Games section. Here, you will find an extensive library organized into various categories such as action, adventure, sports, and casual games. Take your time to browse through the options, or if you have a specific title in mind, simply use the convenient search bar to locate it quickly. There are hundreds of games available for you to discover. After selecting a game that catches your eye, simply click on the Play Now button to launch it instantly. For the most immersive experience, we highly recommend connecting a compatible Bluetooth gamepad to your device. However, if you are playing on a smartphone or tablet, you can easily use the intuitive on-screen touch controls. The game will stream directly to your device, allowing you to jump into the action within seconds. To ensure the best possible cloud gaming experience, always verify that your internet connection is strong and stable. Closing any unnecessary background applications on your device can also significantly improve performance by freeing up valuable resources. If possible, connect to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, as this often provides lower latency and a smoother, more responsive gameplay session. Enjoy your gaming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.